Okay, I've grabbed a simple Husky 500-pound working load ratchet, and let's see, where can I pull this from? I don't really want them overlapping. Come over here a little bit. Yeah. Alright. I've got steel girders for a ceiling. That makes this a little easier. I can loop it to any girder. As long as I can actually get to it. Let's see. Maybe I can... I don't think I could throw it, but we'll see. It looped on and then fell off. I gotta try that again. It's probably just gonna hit me in the head or something. Oh yeah. Next episode's gonna be body work. Alright. Camera caught that one. That was pretty good. Alright, come on. Nope. Ah. Alright, alright, alright. And... well, it's on a piece of rebar, and that's not how I want it. Well, I guess I gotta get up there anyway. Ooh. Okay. If you're wondering why I'm not using that one, it's because I can't find the ratchet for it. Which is amazing considering how organized I am. Alright. Let's shoe that way. I think I want a washer on this. Ooh. No, it's going in. Thought maybe it was the wrong size, but it's going in. Here we go. An exhaust hanger. Oh, it doesn't fit. Just barely, too. There we go. You know, that, no, it didn't quite, okay. I don't really like this one very much. I mean, it's gonna work, just doesn't instill much confidence. This says it has a 500-pound working load. Now I know Anatoly can bench over 1,000 pounds. Not bench, deadlift over 1,000 pounds. I cannot. Nowhere close. However, I can lift this with one arm. So I'm going to say that we are well within the margins for these straps. Within spec, anyway. Alright, I think this uses a hex head. We got a couple 10s for the tensioner. Feels like the tensioner, yep, I'm pretty sure the tensioner deconstructed. Yeah. Okay. Setting this to the side, because I'm going to need these bolts. I did find turbo camshafts, but not for this engine. The turbo cams are for the rear-wheel drive, the standard KA24, and they don't have the notch for the side-mounted distributor that the Ultima engine has, the DEA. Come on, you're almost out of there. There we go. Okay. I think this is broken. Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Well, that's interesting. Huh. Alright, let me see if I've got a bit for this. What size is that? What shape is that? That's hex. Just, oh, it's slightly smaller than this. Okay. This one's Torx, but it kind of looks as Torx, but that seems right. I'll give it a quick try. I mean, oh, does it just happen to be this size? No. Oh, okay, it was worth a try. Oops. Jeez. Is that coming up in the camera? I wonder how long it's been running like that. Whew. All right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be metal on metal there. Oh, man. Whoops. I'm going to set these over here. Okay, I think next couple days I'm going to be basically just cleaning, scraping this junk off. I feel like this is not supposed to be a bare piece of metal. I feel like there's supposed to be a piece of plastic looped over it. Like this, in fact. Yeah, okay. This doesn't look broken. In fact, it doesn't look bad. I think it's just... yeah, it just slips on. That's what happened. Okay, so that's alright. I'm going to get that plenum out of there too. Why do I feel like that alternator is normally not that hard to get to? Not alternator. I did it again. Starter. I know it's easy on the Sentra. I don't know. Alright, well, gotta wait for some parts. I'll do some cleaning. And then hopefully the assembly will be nice and quick. And then we can start doing some break-in.